Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you the recipe of baked mac and cheese using Gits macaroni pasta. So let's get started. Let's first toast the breadcrumbs. For that, heat a kadhai, add approximately 1 tablespoon butter. Next, add half cup breadcrumbs. I'm using panko breadcrumbs. If you do not have panko breadcrumbs or regular breadcrumbs, you can grind some fresh bread in your mixer grinder jar and use that. Toast till the breadcrumbs turn slightly brown in color. To cook pasta, heat enough water and then add salt. For this recipe, I'm using macaroni pasta from Gits. It's a new product from the house of Gits. It's made from 100% suji and it's untouched by hands and it's hygienically packed. Gits macaroni pasta does not have artificial color, flavor and preservatives. It comes in packets of 175 gram and 400 gram. 175 gram at 21 rupees and 400 gram at 48 rupees. It has a shelf life of 1 year. For this recipe, I am taking 2.5 cups of Gits macaroni pasta. Transfer the pasta to the boiling water. Gently stir the pasta and boil it for 7 to 8 minutes. Stir it in between so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. The pasta is done and now I'm going to transfer it to another bowl. You can run it through some cold water to prevent further cooking in case you end up overcooking your pasta. I'm going to use this macaroni pasta right away and that's why I'm not running any cold water through it. Add a little oil and toss the macaroni so that the macaroni doesn't stick with each other. And let's quickly move to the next step. For the sauce, heat a kadhai or a pan and add approximately 3 tablespoon butter. I'm using salted butter. Add 1 tablespoon crushed garlic and fry till it turns slightly golden in color. Next, add 3 tablespoon all-purpose flour. Continuously stir it, mix it and cook at low flame for 2 to 3 minutes or till you see that the flour starts to bubble, starts to foam like this. There shouldn't be any raw smell and then you can add milk. Add 1 cup milk at room temperature. And make sure you continuously mix the sauce. Now keep the flame between low to medium and cook till the sauce thickens a bit. Next, add 2 cheese slices. You can use processed cheese cubes instead of processed cheese slices. Add some salt to taste. Next, add half cup mozzarella cheese and half cup cheddar cheese. If you do not have cheddar cheese, you can skip it and increase mozzarella cheese or processed cheese. Next, add the cooked macaroni pasta and switch off the flame. After switching off the flame, mix the pasta and the sauce. Add half cup more milk at this stage and mix well. 1.5 teaspoon chili flakes, you can add more if you want. And gently mix. Look at the delicious strings of cheese. Well, this macaroni pasta is ready to be baked. Take a baking dish or you can take any container which is oven proof. I'm using this tiffin box without its lid because it's oven proof. Spread the mac and cheese evenly in the container. Or you can have the mac and cheese right away without baking. You can add some seasoning and have it right away. This container is quite deep so I've added all the macaroni in it. A little cheese on top, this step is optional. And finally add the toasted breadcrumbs on top. I'm going to bake this in my preheated OTG at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, but you can also see the no oven instructions on screen and you can follow them if you do not have an OTG. Our baked mac and cheese is ready. Serve it immediately while it's hot. You can add some seasoning on top. You can add some seasoning mix like pizza seasoning, pasta seasoning or just oregano. Look at the delicious cheese pull. The breadcrumbs add a very nice texture to this dish. If you like this recipe of baked mac and cheese, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!